Hello friends, welcome back to General Studies Academy. On this YouTube channel, we generally solve papers of various competitive exams like SSC, MTS, SSC JE, SSC CGL, etc. Today's question has been taken from SSC FCI 2012 paper. The question is, worship of Mother Goddess is associated with, we have four options. Option 1 is Aryan Civilization. Option 2 is Mediterranean civilization, and option 3 is Indus Valley civilization, and option 4 is later Vedic civilization. As per the archaeological excavations, several artifacts suggest that there is a mother goddess in the Indus Valley civilization. Some important artifacts are terracotta figure of a female seated on a chair as you see in the figure. Second is the dancing girl, and third is the priest king, which is considered as the male god of the Indus Valley civilization, or the associated with the mother goddess. Worship of mother goddess is related to fertility, abundance, and protection. These were found at homes, public places, and burial sites. Now we have to answer the question. The answer of this question is option third. That is Indus Valley civilization. That is mother goddess is associated with the Indus Valley civilization. Thank you.